If you don't know what I have in my hands right now, then I don't know what rock you've been living under. Alright, welcome back to Behind the Wheel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nothing Ear Ones. Now these are unique designed. They do kind of look like AirPods Pro, but do not get this confused. These are $100. For $100, this is what you get. You get a clear design and a clear case that gives you 34 hours of playtime. You get touch controls with taps to play and pause and slides to control the volume. You have in-ear detection, so when you take off your earphones, they stop the music, and when you put them back on, the music starts. They do have active noise cancellation. The USB-C for charging the actual case. Again, all of that for $100. So is it worth it? All right, stay tuned, stick around, and you will find out on this unboxing and brief review. They did a really good job. It looks kind of good. All right, here's the actual earphones. The case looks really sturdy, really nice. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and then I'm gonna open this here, see what else we got. So just where it goes. And here we got small and large ear tips, I'm guessing. I guess they have the medium size installed on them. Here you have a cable for charging. It's Type-C. It's braided and it's small cable. And then here we have some books, some booklets in there. Put them in here, and for the price you're getting, I mean, you can't really ask for anything else. It is what it is. Now the case looks and feels really sturdy, really tight. As soon as you open it up, the light turns on. Here you can see it says Nothing Ear branding. And then let's try to take this tip off. So it does have a little bit of a stem on them. Let's put that back. And then see how easy it is to put it back in the dock. There it is. So the way they charge is they have that connector right there, the way you can see it. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the page here and just talk about a little about what they are. All right, first off, we're starting with the Nothing Ear Ones. They are ultralight, 4.7 grams, powerful speaker driver. Sound by Teenage Engineering. So I don't know what they're trying to say with that, but here we have active noise cancellation, and we do have up to 34 hours of listening. Price, you can see it right there. There, you can buy them right now. Do not have to buy them on eBay for $200. You can get it for $100. Let me see, I'm trying to do the whole 360 touch. Maybe you got touch and push or pull, I don't get it. But it's not working for me, so maybe I'm doing it wrong. all of that, and you get it for $100. So the big thing with people trying to wanting to get these earphones is the whole active noise cancellation. All right, so here we are, and this is the Nothing Ear app, and it gives you a variety of things that you could do with it. One being, you connect your headphones. So once you have them connected, it's going to give you the percentage battery left and right. All right, let me put these on. All right, and here you have here, so you could have noise cancellation, transparency, and off. Right now I'm going to hit noise cancellation, and as soon as you hit noise cancellation, you could feel it. It's a little bit on the mild side, nothing to compare to the Apple AirPod Pros, but you could see, or you could sense, the noise cancellation there. You're going to hit transparency, and you want to have these whenever you're trying to talk to somebody and you want to be able to have that conversation without having to take off your earbuds. And then you have off. And instead of having like a equalizer where you could put up and down, you know, your little knobs for treble and bass, it just gives you either voice, more bass, more treble, or balance. All right. So here for the touch, you got triple tap for next song. You could do tap and hold for noise cancellation. And then you could do the right ear. Let's say you don't want to have triple tap for that. You could just do previous song. So now remember, you triple tap on the right, you go back, you triple tap on the left, you go to the next. All right, so it has in-ear detection, latency mode. All right, let's see if you're watching a video and the video is not syncing with the lips on your ears, then you could do that too. Find My Earbuds, so you could give it a ring. All right, so here we have The Weeknd, and the earbuds are still inside the case, and the actual music is playing, but it's not playing through the headphones or the earphones. So I'm gonna all right, so as soon as I put them in my ear, the music stopped. I guess it just detected that they're in there. Double tap. Putting down the volume on the stem. It works really great on the left and the right. And that is really cool. Again, for $100, you can't really ask for more than that. Take them off, and the actual music stops, and everything is stopped for you because it has that in-ear detection. When I had these on and the music was playing, the noise cancellation was really good. I couldn't hear anything other than the music. So I would say for active noise cancellation, they're doing okay. I mean, again, I've been saying it, for $99 they're good, but don't come expecting you're gonna get like AirPod Pro like quality for active noise cancellation. I'm not gonna go through the whole music, and I'm not gonna start singing and doing crazy stuff here, because that's not what we're here for. Again, a little bit of entertainment goes a long way, but we're just trying to test these guys out and tell you what they are. All right, so here's the verdict, and I'm gonna come with, I want you guys to have an open mind of what's going on and what I'm about to say. These are not for the people that are used to listening to AirPods Pro and like the Zonies and whatever you guys use. Like if you're already used to that kind of tier of noise cancellation, this is not for you. You probably buy them, put them on your ear, and you're probably gonna think they're trash. Now, if you're the person that likes to listen to music and you're on a budget and you want to listen to good bass, good music, and also have that active noise cancellation, these are for you. If you don't want to pay the Apple tag, the Apple sticker, the Apple taxes, these are for you. All right. Now, come with an open mind when you buy these, right? They're cool. They have that look. They have the transparency, the clear case. They meet all the wickets, right? USB-C. They're small factor. They fit in your hand. They feel good. I mean, they have this little knob here, just kind of like made you want to fidget with them. They're good. For $100, they're okay. They're good. So again, for the budget people that want to have active noise cancellation, go ahead and hit that buy now, and they will arrive early. These were slated to come in Monday of this week, or next week, my bad, but they came in today, and that is, I would say, 4 days early. Yeah, 4 days earlier than they were slated. I want to thank everybody for watching these videos. Again, I'm not biased. Like, I'm not telling you this because the Nothing Company said, here, I'm going to give you this. If you told everybody that these are legit, they didn't do that. That would have been cool, but regardless, I'm not going to be biased. They are not trash. They're good quality. They're good for the money. And if you want some, get some. You won't be disappointed unless you come with your mind thinking that they're going to be as good as Apple. They're not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. If you want to keep watching my videos, I appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.